Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Freelancer account on mobile. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Freelancer app. On the bottom side, you can see you don't have an account, sign up. Tap on that. You can directly sign up with your Apple ID or Facebook, or you can enter your email and password. Then tap on Join Freelancer. Enter your username, then tap on Next. Select your account type. Do you want to work or do you want to hire? I'll tap on I want to work. Now here you have to enter your skills. Fill up all the information as it is asked. You have to make sure that all the information is correct and you are being honest with this app. After selecting a skill, select the category which you want to do. Sales and marketing, internet marketing, tap next. I'm going to skip this. I'll fill all the information as required. Very carefully and honestly. After you're done, tap on next. Enter your birth date. Then type the language to speak. Then tap on next. Enter your address. And then tap on next. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Open your email that it is sent. Then tap on verify your email address. In this way, you have successfully created Freelancer account mobile. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.